guys, and welcome back to my channel. Decided to film this tutorial for you guys today because after my first tutorial did like really good, drunk makeup tutorial, and I've been getting a lot of suggestions on my Instagram like do more makeup tutorials, so I'm gonna do another one today. What I'm actually gonna do is a simple, easy makeup routine, like simple everyday look. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So first we're gonna start with eyebrows. Brush them up. And I just actually did my skincare routine like not too long ago. So start with a moisturized face. That's where we're gonna start. Start with a moisturized face, because if you have dry skin and then you're just gonna put your makeup on top of your dry skin, when it comes to taking off your makeup at the end of the night, like, oh, your poor skin. And we're gonna start with eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go and carve out this brow. Top.
I might just hit it through a horn. That's on my element. I like dark skin, love a melanin. Talk pushing me to talk when I'm stepping in. 30 bottles at the zoo till I'm sentiment. I had the Lambo, switch to the Ferrari.
Yeah, do your eyebrows to your desire. And then what are we gonna go in with next? We're gonna do some eyeshadow. We're gonna do a very, very like chill eyeshadow look. So this is James Charles X Murphy palette. I feel like everyone has this palette. If you don't, this is one of the best palettes out there, because it's very, very versatile. So we're gonna go in with this color, and then we'll probably do some of that color on the inner corner of my eye to like brighten it up. But like I said, I want it to be very, very chill, everyday kind of look.
Girl, I know you wanna.
We did eyebrows, we did eyeshadow. So now I'm just gonna go in with foundation. Got my foundation brush. Now I'm gonna squeeze my foundation in my hands, 2 little drops, and then I'm gonna put it on my desired spots of my face. So we're gonna blend this in. A tip when blending, make sure that you're blending it entirely into your face. You don't want to have any patchy parts at all. So just make sure you're triple checking and using a very clean brush. This brush is way too dirty. There's way too much makeup in here because it was like fucking nastily applying to my face. So I switched over to a different brush. So next we got the foundation, we got the eyeshadow and eyebrows. So literally we're gonna go in with some concealer under my under eyes, kind of just to brighten them up a little bit, because my under eyes are clearly a bit lighter than the rest of my face, and I need a brush for that. Okay, so notice how I literally only put the concealer under my eyes because I wanted to brighten up my under eyes. And now we're gonna go in with, I'm gonna put some more of the eyeshadow on my eyes because I feel like it's very light. And then we're literally just gonna go in with blush, setting spray, and that's gonna be it. Notice I'm not doing any contour at all. I'm not contouring my nose, I'm not contouring my cheeks. So if you like contour and you feel like, you know, like your nose needs, because looking at my nose right now, I'm like, I could contour it, but I'm not going to. So anyone who has like a nose that's slightly bigger than mine or anything like that, you might want to contour it. So do that, go ahead and contour your nose, but I'm not gonna do that. For blush, you guys know I use this pink and a red. Oh, that's not the red I usually use. I usually use that red. And now I'm gonna spank like, and it is style and the brush. Yep. Okay, that's the DC. And now I'm gonna take a different brush. Okay, now we're gonna put some highlight, and for highlight, we're gonna use this highlight brush, and we're gonna get my Stretch Me palette, and we're gonna use the color Get the digits. We could also use the chase. We're gonna mix the chase and get the digits. See how that looks. Cute, 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 cute. And now we're gonna get my favorite brush to blend it all together. My nose. Okay, boom. Look at that. I'm gonna call this easy 10-minute makeup routine. Easy, because this is easy, quick and easy. And if I wasn't recording, I would have been moving a lot quicker. Right, okay. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna do some setting spray now, and we gonna call it a day. Oh, I forgot eyeshadow. I forgot mascara again. I'm gonna do that quick before I do my second spray. I always have to do mascara. You know, like it's like I can't not do it or else it's gonna look like I have no eyelashes. And eyelashes are a very important part of your face when it comes to having your face beat. You know. So yeah, you don't have to wear eyelashes, because I remember being like, I need to wear eyelashes or else my makeup doesn't look good, doesn't look the same, X, Y, and Z. And now I'm at a point where I don't need to, because eyelashes, like wearing falsies and stuff was literally ripping out my eyelashes. And I'm the type of person where I'll get to like a point where, okay, it's time for the falsies to come out, and I just want to rip them all off because I don't have patience. So like they'll be like half falling off and I'm like ripping the rest off and stuff. So it was just bad for me, because when I take the eyelashes off, I would feel so insecure because I would feel like I have no real lashes. And I'm like, oh my god, I look ugly without eyelashes. My eyelashes need to be long all the time. Like, I started getting like fucking eyelash dysmorphia, so I literally just stopped. And I noticed that about myself. Like, if I get too like into something and start literally like getting dysmorphia, like if I don't feel the same without it, I'm like, okay, time to cut it off. So yeah, that's what I did with eyelashes. And then I literally just got an eyelash serum, a lash and brow serum, and now I literally just use that and rock my natural lashes. Guys, a cute little look. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair off camera, and I'm gonna come back. Hi. Okay, so I did put little curls in my hair just so like we look cute. So this is the end look. I'm gonna do a little montage for you guys.
She bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag.
So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys found this like easy and you can recreate it. This is honestly like a quick 10-minute everyday look. You know, this is something you could get away with every day. Do it quickly. You know, it's mainly just eyebrows, foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, and mascara, like a 5-step thing. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. You guys asked for more makeup tutorials, so here's another makeup tutorial. Whatever you guys want to see, just don't be shy to let me know. Honestly, like I will do whatever video ideas you guys want to see, like truly. So leave it in the comments, or you can even message me on Instagram personally. Thank you guys so much for watching, and honestly just like supporting me in this journey. Like, it's so exciting and it's something I love to do, so I'm excited to just like keep going, let you guys get to know me a bit more. But yeah, I hope everyone has a nice day. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment whether this makeup look is recreatable for you or no. I want to know. Like, I want to know if this is something you guys can actually use. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.